My name is Augusta and I'm Promos graphic designer. So today I'm going to give you 3 very simple reasons why it's important to think about colors when you communicate with your target audience. First of all, colors have psychological impact. People associate every color with a different meaning. For example, our project Mike. Mike's 2 main branding colors are purple and green. And purple, for instance, is associated with wisdom, success, and royalty. Green is associated with nature, something natural, with health and peace. And that's what we want our brand to represent. So think about this when you're making your own designs and when you brand your own materials. Second reason is accessibility. And that means how accessible is your design for those with visual impairments, for example. And it's all about combining colors and the contrast between those colors. For example, you would think that this orange text and this purple background, it has enough contrast, and that is wrong. For those who has visual impairment, this text might be difficult to read. And this is the example of the contrast ratio that is high enough. So you have white text on purple background, or purple text on white background. To know if the ratio is high enough, there are many online tools where you can check it. So third reason is that colors can help you group and prioritize information. For example, highlighting keywords in your messages, highlighting titles, having the same color for all the headings and maybe different color for second headings. So combining the usage of colors with the right spacing between the paragraphs, with different sizes of the font, you help your audience to read and understand information quicker.